Well, here it is, November 20th, 2021. It's the end of the corn harvest, the last field. 16.6% moisture, 235 bushels per acre. Putting her in the grain cart. Things have gone pretty well. It finally dried up enough we could get going again. Lucas is in the tractor. I'm in the combine. Tim Burrack, part of the Global Farmer Network. There's the grain monitor and the mapping. And I'm going to flip it around. And here I am, enjoying my last field in 2021. And already look forward to next year. From the Global Farmer Network, everyone have a good 2022.